What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MVIS stock. First of all, brief information about this company. MicroVision engaged in the development of laser beam scanning technology. It offers its product under the PicoP brand. PicoP scanning technology has addressing the following market segments: interactive and non-interactive projected displays, 3D perspective LiDAR sensing for consumer electronics, augmented mixed reality and 3D perspective LiDAR sensing for automotive active collision avoidance. And on their website, on the technology section, you can find that they have a bunch of patents that protect their intellectual property. And they have several products. As you can see, it is a projection engine, it is an interactive projection engine, it is a consumer 3D LiDAR sensor, projection engine for head-mounted displays, and in my opinion the most promising their technology is automotive 3D LiDAR sensor. And we have recent information that on March 11 MicroVision announced fourth quarter and full year 2020 results. And here is this press release. As you can see, let me show you the numbers. First of all, they have cash and cash equivalents of more than $16 million, and their total assets is around $21 million, with the total liabilities of a little bit less than $12 million. So they are pretty much stable. They can cover twice their liabilities by their assets. On top of that, let me remind you that this is only the end of December data, and on February we have this information that they complete $50 million at the market equity facility. So they added at least $48.7 million to their cash position, and that's why I think this company is extremely stable for now, before they launch their product. And its product will be a LiDAR 3D LiDAR system. But let's continue with the financials. And as you can see, on the fourth quarter they don't have product revenue and they only have a license and royalty revenue. But as you can see, it is almost quadruple. It is more than quadruple if we compare with the Q4 of 2019. Here you can see that their total operating expenses is a little bit less than $4 million, and that leads us to net loss of $3.57 million, with the net loss per share of $0.02. It was as expected, so this number is not a surprise, and that's why I think this company, after their launch, will be very successful because of the disruption of their product. And let me quote this paragraph. Over the past year, we have made important progress advancing our automotive LiDAR development, bolstering our balance sheet, building the strength of our team, and adding expertise to our board of directors while exploring strategic alternatives, said Samit Sharma, MicroVision's Chief Executive Officer. I expect that the A-sample hardware and benchmarked data for demonstration to interested parties will be available in April 2021 timeframe. I also expect that a version of our first generation long-range LiDAR sensor, after internal validation, reliability and compliance testing, could be available for sale in small quantities in the third or fourth quarter of 2021. And in my opinion, it is very good information that was officially published on their press release, that we have a deadline for start of their sales, and I think they are pretty much ready to show their product on April. I think it will be very successful presentation, and I will do an update about this event. And let me show you some information about institutional investors. So, as you can see, we are on fintel.io and we are on MVIS Corporation, and it is institutional owners of this company. The latest fillings here is Vanguard funds, and as you can see, they have more than $22 million and more than $11 million, and this one is a little bit more than $500,000. We cannot see value changed for this company. Either they buy or sell. And let me show you how you can find this information. So just click here, and as you can see, Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund investor shares report 3.63% increase in ownership of MVIS MicroVision. And let me show you right here, next big stake of the company. And here we can see that Vanguard Extended Market Index Fund investor shares reports a 38.97% increase in ownership of MicroVision Incorporated. And as you can see, this fillings was made on March the 1st, and here is the price action right around $17 price point, and it's not the best price according to this data. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, in this case you won't miss my next video, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So here is my analysis, and from previous video I just have to pull this fourth wave right here, and this will give us a chance to make some projections for the fifth wave targets, and I will do it in a minute. So let me show you that we hit 3 of 4 our accumulation targets, and if you follow my videos, then your average price should be right here under $14 mark. And it's very good entry point for long-term investment. And as you can see, if you average your price down, you're already up for more than 28%. And if you saw only my last video, then you can add your position right here at 0.5 Fibonacci level. And from this point, we are up more than 56%. And it's a great gain. It is a great company, and in my opinion, if you want to protect yourself, you can put your stop loss right below your entry price, and in this case, in worst case scenario, you can break even with this company. But for those of you who want to invest in this company and who already done your own due diligence, it's not so important to tighten up your stop losses, and each and every red day will be an opportunity for you to invest in this company. And let me project some targets for the fifth wave. First of all, let me clean a little bit the chart. And to make some projections, I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom of the entire third wave to the top of the third wave, then to the bottom of the retracement. And as you can see, we have a confluence zone. We didn't hit this resistance, and I think this level holds as a major support right here, and it is very good sign for the price action for this company. So according to Fibonacci extension tool, our fifth wave conservative target might be around $28 price point right here. Second target might be at 1-to-1 extension right here, and the most aggressive target might be at 1.618 Fibonacci extension, and around price point a little bit lower than $50 per share. And for those of you who already enter your position right here, as I encourage you in my previous video, let me measure the potential gains from your average price right here at under $14 mark. First target will be at around 100%, second target will be at 138%, and the most aggressive target will be a little bit less than 250%. And I think these targets are very, very viable, and in my opinion, we will hit it by the end of the year. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe with notification bell if you haven't done this before. And that's it, guys. See you next time. Bye.